Hello, good evening, everybody. The angel cards say we must make a wish. Dreams become reality. It's a time to be joyful in your life. You are being spiritually guided and protected from harm. And a magical moment will change everything. You need to be ready for this time. Think first before you judge situations, and when opportunities come up or decisions to be made, don't let other people coerce you into a decision. You will know in your heart what is the right thing for you. It will, if you're careful, you will be moving into happy times. Um, they say that you have great worry over nothing. There are rulings that are going to be made in your favor. You mustn't give up. Spirit has a plan for you. You must keep on being confident within yourself. You are worthy of everything that comes to you. You set up your boundaries now. Move forward. There is a romance in the air, and in your relationship there's wisdom and objectivity are important. Stay in your truth. A situation is that calls for honest and open communication. Embrace calm and clarity and let your intuition guide you. Be the peace in the situation and stay positive. A meeting with a stranger could be important. Your plans are going to work out very well. Your professional plans and your financial plans or success. You are using your resources wisely. Trust the great mystery of the universe and be your own priority at this time. You deserve peace of mind and contentment. They want you to make these changes for yourself and trust that you are being looked after by the universe. And your loved ones say, share the message of love. I love you all. Have a lovely evening.